In any country, prison is where society sends its failures. But in this country, society itself is failing.
Hell yeah! I'm mad!